Hey everybody, this is Heartless Spartan here with another Monster High Toy Talk review. Today, I have Mattel's Monster High Skulltimate Secrets Monster Mysteries Clawdeen Wolf Doll. This is a video going into my backlog of 2024 release dolls that I have not yet reviewed, so this wave came out around the start of the summer. I'll be reviewing these Monster Mystery dolls until I can get a hold of Gina Fire or anything else that might be released around the holidays. I honestly didn't review these Monster Mystery dolls for a couple of reasons, one being that I just wasn't as interested in the pop star look, and the other being that there were new characters releasing over the summer and they just ended up in my backlog of reviews. However, the doll did turn out a bit more interesting than I expected, so let's get into the review. Alright, let's take a look at Clawdeen here. Zoom in on her face. Take a look at her makeup. I do like the crescent moon. I get that they're going with the whole pop star look on this line of dolls, but I kind of don't really like the colors on here. I usually like the purple, but the orange kind of looks a little bit out of place. I'm trying not to be too judgmental on this one. This little purple lipstick with her canine sticking out, her usual her usual freckles, little painted nose. However, yeah, I do like whenever they add crescents and stuff to Clawdeen's makeup, so I do kind of like that on the one eye. So he has her little usual tufts of fur where human ears would be. She does not appear to have any earrings on this doll, though, which kind of surprises me, though she comes with like a ton of other accessories. Her hair on this one is super nice. Like, the dolls coming out of these kind of boxes have had really nice hair so far. I haven't had a single one that has had like bad box hair. Really, at most, it's just pressed in a little in the middle, just because of the way it was stored. But they have come out with very nice hair. I mean, this is beautiful hair, too. I really like the colors. Those purples. And then these, like, little braided strands coming down. Those are cute. I like that. And on here, they're not, like, going all over the place. Like, they're staying in the front, which I like. If we take a look at the outfit she comes out of the box with, she has like this sort of one-piece swimsuit on underneath this. I already know this. I'm going to slide this down. But it's like a one-piece swimsuit that's on underneath that. Not necessarily a swimsuit, but just kind of a one-piece outfit under there. And then she has like the skirts that are on over the top of that, which is like a pair of shorts with the skirt attached to it. Let's actually take a look at the detail on there. Hearts and crescent moons, chains. Always appreciate the fabric straps over the shoulders instead of rubber ones. Some kind of little... Oh, we have like the little chains and stuff on the skirt as well. Both of those sets just kind of Velcro in the back. A little bit of sheer material around the skirt. Then just like attached to the black shorts. I mean, it's a cute outfit, but the pop star thing, I'm just personally not too interested in that. Her boots have a lot going on, though. Slide one of those off. A lot of design to this. Very good sculpting on here, and quite a bit of paint on the front, too. Lots of various stars and crescent moons. That looks kind of cool. Even more chains, like little keychains and stuff hanging off her boots. Very good sculpt on the boots, I have to say, though. Interesting design on the bottom as well. Kind of continuing that same kind of pattern that's on the rest of her outfit, too. So, I mean, it is like a matching theme going throughout her outfit. They're repeating those patterns. Go ahead and set her down. We'll take a look at her outfit accessories over here. Now, she does come with a headset with wolf ears on it. Actually, I wonder... Ooh, it looks like her actual ears slot into there. It does come with a mic. Oh, where like the little end that you talk into is shaped like a coffin, too. Alright, how does this... There it is. Okay, and it does swivel a little bit. It plugs into the one side on the bottom there. Alright, so this... I don't want to mess her hair up too much trying to put it on. So I'm going to try to be careful doing this. Come on now. Her hair wants to go all over the place when I press it on. There we go. So it fits right over her ears. And it stays on fairly well, too. It's not just going to slide off unless you put a little bit of force into it. It's got a kind of a neat design to it. And the ears are sculpted to look a little bit fuzzy. This piece I thought was kind of interesting. This is the first time I've seen one of these. And it kind of snaps onto the front of the doll over her chest. But it's not like a super malleable plastic. It's kind of a harder plastic. It has all these stars and crescent moons and chains and stuff on there. So this is the first time I'm actually seeing anything like this. And this looks like it just will just kind of pop on over the front of the doll like that. That's kind of interesting that they're trying different stuff like that. She also comes with an alternative outfit. It's got a little skirt. The color's kind of cute. The material's a little bit strange, though. I don't know. It might look nice, though. I'll have to see how it looks with her wearing it. Like the little Clawdeen heart with the claw marks in it. Let's see. She actually comes with a pair of sparkly kind of crescent moon tights. And actually, this kind of surprised me. This is actually like a full pair of tights, too. Like, they go all the way down to the foot. It's about time that they actually did that. And this came out earlier than the Garden Mystery dolls that I reviewed. So I'm wondering why they just didn't make them for those other tights, too. That bugs me a little bit. It's a little bit of a stretchy band on there. Those look kind of neat. They're just kind of a funky color. I did think we've seen something like this before. I did think these were kind of neat. Although that design on there looks a little funky. I mean, I get the crescent moon, but then there's... Oh, it's even more crescent moons. That's what that is. Okay. That had me kind of confused a little bit. But these will slide fairly easily onto her hands. These little gloves. I mean, if I put one on her on camera. There we go. Yeah, it's fairly easy to do. And then on the inside, they do close up. They just look kind of like really thick on her hands. So we'll have to see what that looks like with the outfit all together. She also comes with like a pair of like optional leg warmers for either of the outfits. I think it's the one with the alternative shoes that the product photos have her wearing. These are just like a simple soft material with just a little bit of a stretchiness to either end of the socks. Those could look kind of cute depending on what you use them with. She also comes with these. They are, I can't even call them heels. They're just like extreme platform sandals. Just have a very simple chain design. I don't know how to feel about these. I don't think these look all that great. Not saying that there's anything wrong with the design. I just don't like the way that these kind of look. I kind of like the way the more traditional heels look. Nothing really on the bottoms. It's more straps and chains. Oh, little crescent moons there as a buckle. Accessories wise, ooh. I like her hairbrush with like the crystal wolf on there. That's cool. Then there's like little belts strapped around the handle of that. That's actually pretty cool. It's like a little doll-sized brush too. Comes with another kind of crescent moons all over the place. What is that up at the top there? What is that? I do not know what that is. Granted, I didn't really get to watch the show. That's pretty cool. Maybe somebody can tell me in the comments. It looks like a wolf. Does she run into like some sort of a wolf god or something in the show? Just smack my camera there. Lots of crescents and stuff on there. Huh. I have not seen that before. She comes with another handbag. Not a handbag, but like another large bag. Duffel bag type accessory here. A little bit of sculpted fur around the ends. Lots of crescent moons. This can actually hold a good amount of accessories too. Then it also comes with a bunch of little like fur around that skull there and like little, I don't know, like, oh, they're crescent moons. Okay, I was about to say those are like teeth or claws, but no, they're crescent moons. Lots of little keychains and stuff, little tassels. And then this is actually supposed to hang on to there as an accessory for her bag. Which actually does look kind of cool. Now, we start to get into the lift and closet accessories here. Now, we do get the little magnifying glass. I'm not going to go looking for all the little symbols. It just takes up too much time. I wasn't too interested in that. Just to look for all the little different things on there. Remove that. I mean, the accessories came in the little paper packets. And then it came with a couple of instruction manuals. I'm not going to worry about those in the video. The skeleton keys do look pretty cool. Very simple, just open the kind of dummy locked closet doors on our lift and closets. We also get this little plastic bar here. Now this will go into these little slots in the top of this left closet. There's not one for the right. It'll sort of pop into there. So then when we get these two hangers in our accessories, we've seen these a few times before, they will actually hang up in our closet. Then there's like a shelf on either side too to set things on. Let me close those. We also get this little guard piece here. Now where this goes is inside of our lift, which has a nice little design to it. Oop, there we go. This pops into this little hole here. Just apparently a little bit easier said than done this time around. There we go. So that when you put your dowel in there, it doesn't roll around in there, and this will swing up and down so you can take it in and out. Now we've got these additional pieces that go together a certain way. It has a neat little design, but we won't see that anymore after we put this sort of crystal-looking heart over that. Oh, Clawdeen actually has like a unique design on here with crescent moons. So that will snap into place there. I think they were calling this like a talisman that attaches onto the lift. It's a little spiderweb platform. Pops onto that. Now once you slot this into the bottom of the lift, it can't really be pulled back out. This pops into there, and then it acts as a lever to push the lift up. And then push it up a little bit more, and it snaps into place so this doesn't just like fall back down. I'll push that back down, and then it will... I thought it... Oh, does this not... Mine won't like snap into place at the bottom. I wonder if this wave doesn't do that. That's interesting. Okay, well I guess that's gonna slide around then, huh? That's unfortunate. I guess they actually improved something with the Garden Mysteries line over this one. Okay. Now, there's one last piece, which is this sort of dowel stand piece. It has a little heart shape in it so that we can actually put this onto our dowel and then stick it into any one of these slots on either side of the lift, and it acts as a sort of makeshift dowel stand. It'll hold our dowel up for us, albeit a little bit haphazardly, but there's that option there, which wasn't that bad of an idea. Now, if we take a look at the design here, always nice to see skullettes added into these. We've got lots of like gems and stars and sort of like pearl designs on here. I think the design's going to be the same for each of the dowels in the Monster Mysteries wave, but the colors will be unique to each character. Got that stone wall and wrought iron fence look, but we also get these little slots back here for like wall hangers, so you could actually hang this up on the wall and then maybe have your dowel displayed on the front. Like, these kind of have a neat design. I don't think I like the design of this as much as I did the Garden Mysteries, though. But for now, we'll go ahead and move on to a montage. While I wasn't really interested in the pop star look of the doll, it actually turned out to be rather cute. They didn't go overboard with her outfit or makeup. I liked that they tried some new outfit items like the plastic chest piece that sort of clips on and the skirts. Her hair in the set was beautiful with no box hair, which is always appreciated. Both of her outfits look cute. They're far from my favorite, but I wouldn't be bothered if someone really liked the set. The extreme platforms I thought were a bit odd, but didn't look too bad when combined with a full outfit. I was glad to see that she came with a full set of tights with the feet. They fit well on her, and even though the gold was a bit bold, it looked fairly nice too. However, when it comes to the lift-in closets, I do not know what to do with it. I do not care too much for the design of this one compared to the Garden Mysteries dolls. And, as usual, it's another plastic play piece that's just kind of taking up space. Though it does come with some nice options of hanging it up and using it as a display stand for the doll, which I did think was pretty cool. The set is cute. The theme just didn't interest me as much as others have. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to see more cool reviews and help the channel grow. Leave a comment. Which wave of Monster High dolls has been your favorite so far? I thought they did a pretty good job with the 2024 core refresh, but I really liked the Monster Fest dolls. This has been Heartless Spartan. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.